I'm Geet. Welcome to our show Career Analysis, brought to you by Million Lights. Well, today we will be discussing about some unconventional careers that are totally offbeat. Do you remember the past days when weddings used to be organized in a very simpler manner by the elders of the family, with exceptions of a few aspects like decor and catering? Even marriage rituals like sagai, mehendi, haldi and sangeet were also organized in a very simpler manner and required less affair. But in the present fast-paced world, people are so busy that they do not have enough time to be involved in planning of big events like weddings, where marriage halls need to be booked at least 3 months in advance and the caterer needs to be booked 1 month in advance. Nowadays, marriage ceremonies are celebrated in a big scale with new trends like theme-based marriages and destination weddings and require an organized approach. Well, here the professional wedding planner plays his role. A wedding planner designs and manages a wedding, incorporating creative ideas while keeping in mind the client's requirements. Wedding planners ensure that the overall vision of the bride and groom is executed. Wedding planners handle complete designing and coordination of wedding themes, designing invitation cards, deciding venues and decor, rituals, makeup, costume, providing dancers, bands, singers, catering and reception. They also make arrangement for a priest, entertainment and look after the guests' travel and accommodation needs. Planners also know the wedding events and rituals of different castes and religions and plan it accordingly. They add a special touch to the marriage ceremonies and make the occasion special for the couple as well as the family and guests. The services given by a wedding planner also includes hiring of wedding professionals and service providers including photographers, videographers, beauticians, florists, etc. People can reach the wedding planners through their blogs and websites. Wedding planners are multitasking people. They are hardworking, outgoing, flexible individuals with a high level of energy. A wedding planner needs to be an excellent organizer. He should have leadership skills and management skills. He should have good communication and negotiation skills. He should have problem-solving abilities and he should have the business acumen. A creative bend of mind as well as color sense, ability to keep calm under pressure, awareness about the latest trends, knowledge about customs and traditions, and be prepared for any eventuality, as things can go wrong prior to any event. Now, let me tell you about some people whom you can follow if you want to pursue this career path. Meher Sareed of Sound of Music, Soumya Raghavan of 3 Productions, Divya Chauhan and Vithika Agarwal of Divya Vithika, and Vikas Gutgutia of Ferns and Petals. Wedding planners are associated with hotels, resorts, event management companies, banquet halls, planning special events, bridal shops, caterers, florists, wedding planner firms, etc. At the entry level, they work under wedding planner firms, bridal shops, or even under event planners. After gaining experience, they can start their own enterprise. Every wedding planner finds their own way to charge for their services, and depending on location and client's requirements, salaries vary. One can earn a minimum of Rs 10,000 to Rs 50,000 per service. Wedding planning industry in India has seen a steep rise in a very short period of time. It will flourish in the coming times with the changing tastes and requirements. It is an exciting and interesting, high-paying career that can let you use your creativity to organize the happiest day of people's lives. So, I'm sure you must have gained good knowledge about this career as well. In our next show, we will come up with yet another offbeat career path. So stay tuned to Million Lights. For more such information and interesting shows, please log on to our website millionlights.org. Additionally, you can find us on Facebook as Million Lights. Our Twitter handle is million_lights1, and do find Million Lights 1 on Instagram. You can see more videos like this by subscribing to our YouTube channel Million Lights ORG. We are also available on mobile TV apps like Asianet, Yes TV and Jio TV. You can watch our TV channel across our partner ecosystem, Den Manoranjan and Next Generation cable networks. For any queries, information or feedback, feel free to write to us at support@millionlights.org or give us a missed call on 912230778274. So, goodbye for now, but see you soon and keep watching Million Lights.